a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Left Left Palacios. So if you're new here, so don't forget to subscribe on my channel and don't forget to like this video if you like it. So karon ay magtatagalog na lang tayo para mas maintindihan ng lahat. So today gagawa tayo ng video all about transformation, makeup transformation. Ang gagayahin natin ay sobrang simple lang. Siya si Arda, the TikTok girl. So alam naman natin lahat na she's trending right now dahil sa TikTok niya. I don't know what's the problem of her, but hindi naman siya pangit, maganda siya, at baka maybe it's her outfit or her style or ano, I don't know. Okay, now let's just start to the transformation. Hope you guys like it and enjoy. So ang mga products na gagamitin natin ay it's so affordable on the drugstore. Parang hindi siya nag-foundation, parang pulbo lang at lip tint at saka yung mascara, ganun lang. It's so simple. First natin gagamitin ay Johnson's baby powder. So it's so affordable. And next is mascara. Oh my god, it's so dirty. So may mascara. So wala akong lip tint. So lipstick na lang gamitin ko. So it's color red. So this is it's matte lipstick. So first is lalagyan lang tayo ng powder on our face. So kanyang face is so smooth. Back so fresh. Go, let's just slay this powder first.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
Back. Powder pa lang yan, guys. Char! Okay, so next is mascara. Okay, so this is my favorite part, yung outfit niya, guys. I just love that. Okay, babalik na ako. Magbibihis muna ako. And let's see the final result.
Yes, I do the cleaning. Plus, I keep the nana real sweet for your eating. Yes, you be the boss.
thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and just like, and if you like it, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye.